What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing my rear end. This one has 28 spline and I got a 31 spline, which is supposed to hold a couple more horsepower. And this is only one wheel drive, and this has 355s I believe in it. And I just bought 31 spline rear end with the axles, and this is 370 gears, and this is also a posi track. Now I'm going to take the old rear end out, so I'm going to jack up the car. Alright, so I got it on jack stands now. You always want to move it, check so it doesn't fall, because that would be bad if it fell on you. So how you know if it's a two-wheel drive or a one-wheel drive? You just spin one wheel, and if the other wheel spins the opposite way, that means it's one-wheel drive. If they both spin the same way, then that means it's a two-wheel drive. So I have a Ford 9-inch, and how to check if it's 28 spline or 31 spline is right here. So if you have this little encaving thing, that means it's 28 spline. If it's just like flat, that means it's 31 spline. Like this one right here, this one's flat. That's what the 31 spline looks like. First, we're gonna start off with taking the drive shaft out, just these 4 bolts on the U-bolts things. And it might leak out of the transmission, but I don't think it will because the car's jacked up on the back end. Alright, so these are 1/2-inch nuts. There's 4 of them, and I'm just gonna take them off with this wrench. Alright, so I put it in neutral, so now I can turn the drive shaft so I can see the other side. Alright, so I just got the bolts out. You want to make sure that those caps don't fall off like they just did. Put the washers and nuts back on these just so you don't forget where they are or where they go. Alright, so now that we got the drive shaft out, we're just going to take the shocks off. And there's one nut on the bottom and there's one nut on the top on both sides. So I'm going to take those off now. You see the shock was turning right there, so just hold that with your hand and you can turn the nut. You want to keep the bushings and stuff right in place so you don't forget which way they go. You just push the shock up to get it out of the hole, and you can take the top bushings out. And now to the other side. And now I got both the bottoms loose. We have to take off the top of the shock so we can just let them hang and get the rear end in and out without having to take those out. Alright, so now I'm going to take off the brake line. So this side is actually cut because it was leaking, but we're going to take this side off. Breather is broke off right here, so none of the wires are hold on, but the new one has a new breather. Just going to bend these little tabs up so that we can get the line from under it. Alright, so we just got this one off right here. So now we're going to move on to the next one, which is right here. Alright, just got that one off. So now all we have to do is take this nut off right here. Should be using a line wrench for this, but I don't have one where I'm at, so I'm just going to use a regular wrench. But usually these will strip out really bad. I just got the whole brake system off. And now I'm going to take the parking brake lines out. And I have to take off the wheels and get to the backing plate for that. So now I'm going to take off the wheels. off, and now I'm gonna take these drums off right here. Alright, so I just saw that I got it loosened, so now just pull it off. And as you can see right here, this is what I was turning, and it makes the brakes go inward, or if you go outward, it goes out and it squeezes this drum here. We're gonna take all this brake stuff off anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking it all off. That hole right there, and you just keep squeezing those and trying to pull it. It took me a while. I did break one of the things, but I finally got it out, and now I gotta do the other side. Both the brake drums off and all the brake stuff, and the parking brakes off, so now I think everything's disconnected. So now we're just going to take off these right here and drop the whole leaf spring down with the rear end. This plate right here, and now we're just going to try to hammer those out right there, because this is one whole piece. You might want to put the nuts back on the studs just so you don't mess up the threads when you're hammering it. Here it is right here, and now I'm going to move on to the other side of the back. Just before it can actually get out of the hole. So the plan is now to take off the front ones and then hopefully slide the whole thing this way so that the leaf spring comes out of that. To take the front ones off, it's just one nut on this side. And on the other side, there'll just be a plug right here, and we gotta take that off to get to the other side of the bolt. Get out. Oh, and that just came right out. Now this side is completely out, both the front and the back. Now I'm gonna do the front on the other side. Alright, so now we got all the bolts out that hold the leaf springs in, so now I'm just going to try to push it to get that one side out. Just got the last one out right here. I'm going to pull it out right now. Alright, just got the whole rear end out. So this is going to be the end of part one. Just got the rear end out, and we're going to put the new rear end in part two. And if you like this car and you'd like to see more of this car, then subscribe to my channel and get the bell on. And if you enjoyed this video, then like the video.